The Real Housewives of Lagos returns to our screens for the second season today, September 29, 2023. The scintillating premiere that was held on the 23rd of this month in Lagos, Nigeria got everyone talking, as not just the best when it came to fashion, but also the best when it came to organization. So kudos to the team. The former is why I'm filming this video, and I can bet 100% that is the same reason you are here. Using the theme Eco Royalty as a yardstick, which simply means Lagos royalty. Eco being a Yoruba word that means swampy forest or lakes. It is also the old name that was used to describe the Lagos that we all know and love today. Royalty, on the other hand, is someone from a royal lineage, a member of a royal family, kingdom, or realm. Merging both together, I like to think that they meant go big or go home. The word subtle is little or non-existent when it comes to Lagos royalties. If you know, you know. The bigger, the better. No, scratch that. The richer looking, the better. Yes. Hey y'all, Chantel here, the convener of this channel and the best fashion critic in Nigeria. Here's the point where you subscribe and also click on that notification bell icon next to the subscribe button, so whenever I post content on here, you'll be one of the first to get the notification. Okay? Help me get to 50,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kicking off things is Toke Makinwa in this gold encrusted floor-length dress with a twist by Matopeda Atelier. Cold shoulder with a low neck situation going on. Skin tone mesh, hand-trimmed flower appliques, corset boning for that snatched waist that we all love, thigh-high slits, and a detachable organza skirt. In my opinion, the dress alone brought all the drama. This organza skirt to me is just like turning on your fan in an AC chilling room. There's no need for it, but you are not mad at it. The fit on her though, A+. Accessorizing to complement the look was inclusive of this gold ashoke tied in an over-the-top avant-garde style, diamond earrings, and a matching ring. Simple and sophisticated if you ask me. Footwear of choice is these cute gold strappy sandals. The fact that Matopeda came up with this dress in 24 hours is amazing to me. I love that it's sophisticated and in tune with the theme without trying to steal the show from the cast members. Her sultry makeup by Tamar's Beauty is a plus. Overall, I'm going to give Toke a good 7.5 out of 10. There's really no fault in this look. The one, the only, the unique actress Iyabo Ojo is the next person I'll be talking about. She's also a cast member of The Real Housewives of Lagos, if you did not already know. She showed up wearing Beccaneedlesnstitches, giving golden hour glow. The details of this dress are top tier. This is how you show up to the premiere of the show you star in. Breathtaking and gorgeous, a queen and more. Wow. Heavily beaded polo neck, cold shoulder with draped sleeves, skin tone boned corset on her midriff that connects to an advanced, because that's the only word that comes to mind in describing this, an advanced beaded straight skirt, layered with a detachable ruffled tulle train. The train didn't add anything to this look, if you ask me. It's unnecessary, in caps. The dress is already drowning in details. Why add more? The fit on her is superb though. Now to hair and makeup. Good Hair Limited team did a great job wigging and putting together this bun with coily tendrils hairstyle. Makeup by Mirel Beauty is cute as well, but I think a glossy red lippy would have added that extra oomph. Shoes, purse, and jewelry all in gold complemented the overall look. For this red carpet worthy look, I'm going to rate the Queen Mother, Iyabo Ojo, an 8.5 out of 10 for this. Third time mom to be an assertive cast member, Laura Ikeji Kanu is the next person we'll be talking about in this episode of Fashion Roast. She could not be missed in this Ericamoorebrand creation. Starting with what I love about this look. The way the gold sheer fabric was sculpted to her body is amazing. The sparkles on the dress, oh my gosh. The glove sleeves, beautiful. Her mini Fendigraphy purse, gorgeous. Hair and makeup, amazing. Now to the parts I'm not a fan of. Explain to me what that feather bolero is doing on her body. Why is it there? You just carry load to wreck such a sultry, beautiful outfit. You all should just imagine this with me for a moment. The gold dress, blonde braided ponytail, chandelier earrings to further frame her face, and her gold purse. Finish. No extra additive. Picture how beautiful and classic that would have been. This feather thing is just too much. It's giving Big Bird, and I can't remember hearing Big Bird requesting for a colleague. Red carpet looks don't always have to be over the top to be beautiful, to stand out. I'm such a fan of the gold fabric. It would have stolen the show on its own. 7 out of 10, mama. I just wish I didn't have to do this, but I can't be biased. And that's how I feel about the outfit. A few tweaks here and there would have taken this from a 7, right, to an 8 or even a 9. OAP Dotun in this loose fitted ensemble by Bradford Co. I'm still searching for the eco royalty in this look. Regardless, I think he looks okay. Even with the oversized style, the fit on him is still great. I love the multicolored gem stone-ish additive on the top. The brown loafers and matching glasses look good as well. Mid in terms of rating, but not bad looking. He gets a 5 out of 10 from me. Styled by Damola in this futuristic looking dress by EmaginebyBukola, is new cast of the show, Tania Omotayo. Even if they just wrap cotton and throw on Tania, she will eat it up, leaving no crumbs. That's how gorgeous she is, which is why I have to be very critical in rating this look. Make beauty no make me make mistake, I beg. The look is giving Grecian goddess. I'm so intrigued by the fabric. Zooming in, I noticed it's an impeccable hand beading job on a plain fabric, thereby making it customized. Please, if the designer EmaginebyBukola comes across this video, she should correct me if I'm wrong. I think I'm right though, going by the plain fabric peeking through. Strapless, sweetheart neckline with this structured spiky detail. Corset waistline, floor length, mermaid skirt that accentuates her curves. Now to accessories. This headpiece by Ure's Culture is the icing on this cake. Fantastic detailing. The flower bold gold earrings added a nice touch as well. I would skip on the choker if I was her stylist. The idea is brilliant though, being that it was attached to the soft flowy cape that doubles as a train. But for me, this is definitely what Coco Chanel meant when she said, before you leave the house, look in the mirror and take one thing off. Overall, I think she looked gorgeous. One of my best dressed as well. It's giving royalty. I'm not sure about the echo part. Still, I'm going to rate her an 8.5 out of 10 for this. Big Brother Titan's housemates, Yemi Cregz, embodies the true meaning of echo royalty, but for the shoes and some part of the jewelry. Yo, just hear me out. The mix and match abada with matching filler by Jenrewa is lovely, brilliant in fact. If the outfit was the only thing needed for ratings, he would easily get a 9 from me. But that isn't the case, as we all know. Accessorizing and styling plays a huge role as well when it comes to ratings. So that being said, the loafers are too casual for this look. A strappy corporate shoe, preferably in faded brown, would have done this look more good. Moccasins as well. Definitely not loafers as seen here. Secondly, the crystal beads used for the necklace and bracelets is not giving the royalty. For lack of better words, they look cheap. Coral beads paired with his King Cregz necklace would have done the magic. Overall, he still looks good, and the fact that I can see the effort when it comes to the looks scores him an 8 out of 10. The 7th person in this fashion roast we're talking about is Oprah in this metallic purple Ashoke fit. It's an Ashoke statement dress, strapless, sweetheart neckline, mini length. I love the lantern hem with these godet-looking shapes that gave the structure. The creativity on this is top-notch, if you ask me. I'm guessing there are fabric boning inserts underneath so that it stays in shape. I love the introduction of Echo with the Ashoke fabric. I'm here for the gele as well. For accessorizing, her stylist Moses Ebite kept things matching in silver to sync with the embroidery on the upper half of the dress, which I love. This look is a testament of less is more. She looks fresh, she looks super comfortable, and it's giving modern day royalty. For that, I'm going to rate her an 8.5 out of 10. New cast member Morey Faith made heads turn in this spectacular design of a dress by Usman. If Presence was a person, it will be Morey Faith in this dress. From the mix of blues to the ombre corsage overcoat that seamlessly cascaded from light to dark hues, the generously beaded dress in the simplest style, one word, perfect. It's the perfect match for all the accessorizing going on. Minimal yet elegant choice of jewelry, topped up with this halo mimicking headpiece. I legit gasped, like, when I saw her. We'll definitely talk about this look for seasons to come. This is how you make your debut to TV, but not so much in tune with the theme. Yeah, a well-deserved 8 out of 10 because of that. Dianne Russet, a babe that defo knows how to bring it when it comes to her red carpet looks. I have to give it to her. This strapless mini layered dress by Anncranberry is no exception. The right amount of pizzazz and opulence. I just have to give kudos to Anncranberry for how well she crafted this dress. Do you all know that these faux pearl trimmed cutouts were individually placed on a plain base? One sentence to describe Nigerian designers is another level, because what? The fabric is a mix of cream and Fisher Ashoke topped with emerald green sequin cutouts. Dianne didn't stop there. She went up 200 notches with accessorizing. Green Ashoke Ipele and a mix of silver headgear and green tassel hem gilly. Choice of jewelry finish is primarily silver. I personally love the eye accessory. It's giving luxury. I'm going to rate Dianne a solid 9 out of 10 for this. Rogue.NG did this one on Akin Faminu. It's giving royalty, it's giving echo, very majestic and timeless. The silver applique details is giving rich Zadi vibes. Otumba! Love the embroidered neckline of the kaftan picking. It adds the perfect contrast. The matching fila, dark sunnies, mix of black and silver jewelry, and the patent leather footwear all added a nice touch to the entire look. I'm going to rate Akin a well-deserved 9 out of 10. Orange is the new black is the only way to describe Chioma in this Veekeejames creation. She's snatched. Floor length, ruffled hem dress, stone illusion mesh detailing from the top spiraling down to the bottom. Also intricately stoned to cover the girls. Tie-back corset to further intensify the snatch. And this interesting floating structured detail on one sleeve. I'm going to give it to the Veekeejames team for how well the dress was sculpted to fit Chioma's figure. The style, on the other hand, cute but not unforgettable. Ures Culture did her thing with the extravagant headpiece. It saved the dress from looking like an Oshebi, if you ask me. I rate Chioma an 8.5 out of 10 for this. Queer dresser Derele Edun in this fit by Ericamoorebrand is the next guest on the Real Housewives of Lagos Season 2 premiere red carpet I'll be talking about. Multicolored sequin cord set with velvet fabric add-ons on the waist that mimics a cummerbund. These structured floating sleeves that drape, and gloves. In usual Derele style, loads of jewelry and over-the-top accessorizing. Definitely not in sync with the theme. Fit and cut, especially on the pants, is superb. For that, I'm going to rate Derele a 6 out of 10. All I see is a gorgeous girl wearing midday by midday and styled by Damola. Beauty Tukura in this dress gives a more abstract meaning to echo royalty. Remember the definition I gave you all at the beginning, echo, a Yoruba word that translates to lakes in English. I strongly believe that's the route they told with this look. Halter neck bralette with green and champagne beaded work. The skirt is floor length, sheer, has a V cut on the waistline, and adorned with dangling green crystals. No matter how much you tried, you couldn't miss the iridescent cape, or would I call it shell? Let's just stick to the word detail. underwater bombshell, underwater royalty, Little Mermaid stuffs, Echo meaning water, where you see mermaids, you get it. Sultry makeup by Nikki MUA is a 10. Hair choice is perfect for the look as well. Dainty diamond jewelry by Bose Jewelry jazzed it up even more. I love how beauty steam made me to crack my head to decipher this look. Definitely deserves an 8.5 out of 10 from me. An extreme opposite of Beauty's look but still on theme is Modella in this rich embroidered burgundy abada with tassels on the bottom. She's giving old money eco royalty. Amazing. She turned things up with this elaborate headgear. I love that she added a twist with her purse of choice. Yo, it's a filler. A filler. You can't tell if you don't look closely though. Love her clear palms, chunky layered coral necklace and earrings. Effortless yet so glam. Good job, Modella. This look deserves an 8 out of 10. To complete this episode of Fashion Rose is none other than Kie Kie. She showed up for host duties in this one-of-a-kind damask outfit by The Vibe Station. Styled by Mayox Michael, it's a look. It's a look. I love it. Strapless sweetheart necklines, knee-length flayed cuts that draws your eyes to the gold confetti looking details attached to sequin frills or tassels. That was a mouthful. Wow. To complete the styling of this look, they opted for matching gele and ipele, gold earrings, bangle stack, rings, encrusted sunglasses, two-tone beaded bag, and those statement-worthy Versace pumps. I love the contrast with the red lippy because this outfit was in dire need of one. Normally now, Kie Kie dey eat her looks and this was no different. Mayokun is an excellent stylist. But on other people, it's giving royalty with a slice of I just got back. IJGB. Yes. 8.5 out of 10 from me for Kie Kie. 15 people later and I have come to the end of the first half of the Real Housewives of Lagos Season 2 premiere Fashion Roast. Now sliding into the best and worst dress categories. Best dressed male, Akin Faminu. I don't even have to explain my choice because it's glaring at this point. Impeccable styling and outfit choice. I'm totally here for it. Best dressed male for me with my full chest. Oh, are you all not tired of me already? Best dressed female. Dianne Russet did it for me totally. Exquisite details. Styling was chef's kiss. Nothing was amiss when it came to this look against the theme. Love, love, love it. Definitely my best dressed female. Worst dressed male, Dotun. The word worst dressed doesn't necessarily define or describe how I feel about this look. To be honest, it's not a bad look, but not one for a red carpet event, and a red carpet event with the theme Eco Royalty. That's why he falls under that category, at least for the purpose of this video, so he has to be my worst dressed male. Worst dressed female, I really wish I did not have to award her with this. Laura Ikeji Kanu, not the best fit, too much for her frame, a fail. Now, over to y'all. As it is a tradition here, leave your best and worst dress, both categories, in the comment section. If you don't agree with any of my take, leave same in the comment section in the most mature way. This channel has zero tolerance for bullying and meanness. Check my history, so don't do that, okay? Subscribe and join the Chantel Nation family if you're yet to. Share the video. Also, let me know if this is your first time coming across my content and if you subscribed afterwards. Don't be shy. Whether you did or not, just let me know in the comment section. Looking forward to welcoming new Chantel Nation members to the community though. Let me just throw that out there. Will you all be watching the Real Housewives of Lagos Season 2 showing on Showmax? I know I will. Until my next video, which is on Sunday, do not forget to stay amazing. Bye.
These kids don't play on a tightrope, blindfold, sleepwalk through the drama.